and welcome. Today's video, I didn't know when I was gonna get to film this, but FedEx just arrived with my Boxycharm Base box. I have not opened it yet or anything, so that's what today's video is all about. I was actually going to sit down and film a full first variation that we have seen come out, but I'm gonna film this. I'm gonna hurry up, edit it, upload it, schedule it, and then tomorrow you guys will see another full variation if it is different than what I saw on Instagram. So before we get into the video, if you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, chit-chat about makeup, unbox makeup, play in makeup, and have a good old time with makeup. So anyways, with that being said, if you guys are curious about anything on my face, I will go over that at the end of the video, as well as I will remind you guys the important date in January to make your choices for the February box. Anyways guys, let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay guys, so like I said, this is the January base box. This box is $25 a month, and you will receive at least $125 worth of goodies in here. You do get to customize one item in here. Now this is not my paid for box. That has not arrived just yet, but when it does, I will definitely be unboxing it for you all. This is my PR box that did just arrive, and let's go ahead. I gotta find my scissors. Let's open her up. I am so excited guys, because the more sneak peeks that started to circulate, the more excited I got over this box. And let's be honest, the choices were amazing, but so were the variations. So anyways, jumping right into the box, we've got a little postcard. Every month is a different theme, so this month's theme is the fresh start. Now on the back, you're gonna see all the items that are in your box, as well as the retail value of everything, little information in here as well. Now like I said, this is my PR box, so I did not get to customize my one item or anything like that. But the first item was a choice item. They did ask me my shade, so I'm hoping I guessed right, because let's be honest, your girl never shade matches herself correctly. But the first item I see in here is the Pure 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer, which I was pretty excited about, to be honest with you guys, but I did end up choosing a completely different item as far as that went. So make sure to stay tuned for my paid for box. So this is a Pure, like I said, 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer. I did choose the shade medium. A little information about this item: it does have a retail value of $35. It's a multi-purpose all-in-one broad spectrum sunscreen, moisturizer, primer, and foundation with the SPF of 20. That's part of the effortless beauty routine for an ultra natural looking complexion. I'll be honest with you guys, if you guys have been with me for a while, I told you all I haven't been wearing makeup, and if I happen to put a little bit on, I'm using a tinted moisturizer with a little bit of my Tatcha under eye. Today's the day that I actually sat down, played in makeup and all of that, so it's been a while. So I'm loving a tinted moisturizer. I have been reaching for my QMS if I want a little bit more coverage in here, and you're going to be able to do that with this. Just add a dab of your favorite foundation, and it's going to be perfect. So make sure to stay tuned, because I will be doing a try on using this probably over on Instagram, so make sure to give your girl a follow over there as well. Okay, oh my god, jumping in to the next item. I saw that this was actually going to arrive today, but it's one of those things that when FedEx shows up, it's never a guarantee on time. It's like completely random. So this is what I was really wanting, guys. This is the Violet Voss Olive You Forever, and I was gonna hold off on doing my eye makeup, but then I'm like, it's gonna be my luck. They're not going to show up until like 4 o'clock today, so I'll just film the variation, you know, video, whatever. Like I said, this video is going to go up first, and then I will jump off here and film another video for you guys talking about another variation. So this, like I said, is the Violet Voss Olive You Forever palette. I was wanting this so bad. I told you guys, when it came between this palette And the Ciate Linden palette, I was kind of like on the fence. I thought, you know, the Ciate Linden was very, very pretty, but I was kind of leaning towards this one more because there's something about a muted olive green that gets me so excited. So this is what the palette looks like, and of course I've got to swatch a couple of them for you guys. And again, like I said, I will be over on Instagram doing a look using the items in this box. This is a really pretty mix of shimmers and mattes. It's really nice because it's not all shimmers, it's not all mattes, it's just a really good mesh of both. Look at these colors. Ooh, they're so pretty. Let's do this peachy color. Isn't that so pretty? Again, a full swatch of the palette will go up over on my Instagram. I mean, it's Violet Voss, and I always tell you guys, Boxy made me bougie. They introduced me to Violet Voss eyeshadows, and I love their shadows. So these are just some of the shimmers in there. I can't wait to create a look with this palette. Okay, so let's talk a little information about this palette. It does have a retail value of $34. I really hope this is available in add-ons as well, because do I need a backup? No, I don't. Will I probably want one? Yes. Will I probably buy one to gift? Yes. Anywho, this palette was designed with the universally flattering olives and hues that complement one another flawlessly. It's packed with the most luxe formula, creamy mattes, mesmerizing metallics, and impact foils. Achieve endless eyeshadow looks from a modern, soft, sultry to seductive olive smoky eye. I'm so excited about that, guys. I mean, take another look. Isn't that just so pretty? I feel like you can definitely go with like a nice neutral everyday look, and then you can definitely get a smoldering sexy evening look or what have you. I mean, I'm excited about this. I'm so excited about this palette. Okay, moving on to the next item in the box. I'm just gonna pull at random. This is the Apple Plus Balm, I guess, Glow Lip Mask by Seraphine Botanicals. This is kind of funny because you guys have sent me some of your surveys, and you had shown me that we were seeing some Seraphine Botanicals in our surveys. So this is just a little glow lip mask. I'm not mad about that. I mean, you know, it's winter time here in Kentucky, and the air is insanely dry, and I have been completely lubing up with all kinds of different lip masks and balms and everything. So little information about this. It does have a retail value of $25. Boost the hydration and glow with this protective lip mask formulated with shea butter, apricot, jojoba, and rose hip oils. Not mad about this whatsoever. Honestly, I would much rather see a Seraphine Botanicals like glow mask or something like that, lip balm, than the eyeshadow palette. As you guys know, over in my Ipsy, I think it was a couple months ago, I got their eyeshadow palette and had like blushers in it and stuff. Not a fan, kind of chalky. So I would much rather see these products from them in our box versus the palette. You know what I mean? Let me know you guys' thoughts down below. Did you get that palette I'm talking about in your Ipsy? I just wasn't a fan. Okay, so then the next item in here is Trust Fund Beauty. This is the Lipgasm lip gloss. I like lip glosses, as you guys can see. This is in the shade Unprofessional. Oh, that's so pretty. And I feel like with the greens, this will be so pretty. We have to swatch her. This reminds me of a Marc Jacobs color that I have. Is it right here? It is. Very, very similar kind of to the Marc Jacobs. I think we had a Cab Beauty that Kim Zolciak or something. That might be sitting here. Yeah, it is. Nope, that one's a little bit more rosy. Anywho, really pretty. Let's swatch. Oh, I like this. Okay, so don't let this color scare you. I'm going to apply a little bit on top. See? It's glossy, but it's not like opaque. It's really, what is the word I'm looking for? It has left my brain. I can't think, but it's a sheer. It's sheer lip gloss, really pretty, very comfortable. I like this color. It's just a tint. So I get excited to see things like this because for me, you guys know, jumping outside of my comfort zone with a lipstick or a lip gloss gets a little tricky for me. I'm like, I like the neutrals, the naturals, you know, that kind of thing. So this is a way to kind of get outside your comfort zone without like stressing yourself out. I don't know, maybe you're not like that, but I am definitely like that. So the Trust Fund Beauty Lipgasm Lip Gloss in the shade Unprofessional does have a retail value of $18. It's a sheer hot peach that will tell the world you mean business. Okay, and that your business is none of theirs. Ooh, I like this. Ooh, that needs to be like my header or something. Tell the world I mean business, but it's none of their business. Anywho, I'm just feeling sassy. I think I got some major PMS kicking, but anywho, HR is already sweating. Love that. So really excited about this color. Like I said, when you first open it up, it's a little like shocking, a little scary. Try it out, test it out. That's one thing that you guys have taught me, that just because I see it in the little component, I need to swatch things, you know, like don't just like go off of first glance. Try it out, test it out. You may be surprised. This is one where I think you're really going to be surprised. And like I said, it's glossy, but it's not like that kind where you're like, you know what I mean? It's like a comfortable gloss. So I'm happy with that. And the last item that I am insanely excited about, because out of the two, I would have been happy with either one, but I really wanted this one. This is by Pharmacy. This is the Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleaning, cleaning toner, and it has papaya, and I'm excited about it because I have wanted this. As soon as we started seeing this release as spoilers, I'm like, ooh, either one would be a great choice, but I would really like to have the toner. Y'all, this is full size. This is full size, just like with everything else in here. It's such a bougie bottle. Oh my gosh. I have never tried this before, but you guys know I love BHAs, AHAs. I love exfoliants, chemical, whatever. I'm all about it. You know I'm a skincare junkie, and I'm willing to try and test out any type of skincare there is. So little information about this. This does have a retail value of $28. I honestly thought it was a little bit more expensive than that, but anyways, this is alcohol free. It's a 2% BHA toner that gently exfoliates, deep cleanses, and deep cleans your pores and controls the oil without overstripping the skin. I'm excited. So give me a second. Let me go ahead, total everything up. I'll come back, let you guys know the variation and all of that in just 1 second. Okay guys, so I'm back, and I did forget to tell you guys what my variation was in the beginning, and it's actually a little bit different as far as that goes. Normally it is like a number down here at the heart, but I'm guessing because it was set in PR, maybe the number variation is a little bit different. I don't know if my camera will focus enough, but it is C210002BA. So that was the variation. As far as the retail value of everything in here, like I said, this box will cost you $25 plus tax. Shipping is free, and everything in here did come to a grand total of $140. Let's talk about my thoughts on this box. January's here, and I think that Boxycharm absolutely nailed it as far as this being the first box of the year. I love everything in here. Even though I may not be a fan of a specific brand only because of things I've tried in the past, I'm not mad about this particular item. Matter of fact, let me open it real quick and just show you guys like the consistency and everything. So this, like I said, is the Serafina Botanicals, and is there a scent? If there's a scent, it's a really light scent. I feel like it's definitely a nice hydrating type of balm. So I'm not mad about it. Like I said, if I'm going to see this brand, I would rather see things like this in here versus other things that I've received in the past with other subscriptions. As far as everything else, I'm super excited. I mean, you guys know my weakness is always eyeshadow palettes, so I'm super excited to see that in here. Pharmacy, ooh, I'm really excited about it, and the fact that I feel like there's definitely going to be more Pharmacy in our future, because if you remember, I think it was like some plum, I don't know, I'll pop a picture if I can find it or remember what that was that Joe had in the background, but I definitely feel like pharmacy will be seeing more of that. So as far as the important date, you guys need to stay tuned for January 11th on Monday at noon Eastern Standard Time. That's when you're going to be able to jump into your account if you are new to BoxyCharm and you want to sign up. I do have a link in my description box, as well as I always put it in my comment section for you guys. It is an affiliate link, so thank you guys in advance if you do sign up using it. If any coupons are still functioning and working, at least at the time that I'm filming this video and upload this video, I will make sure to post those in the comment section for you guys. I know there was one where you got like a 10% or $10 credit towards your add-on purchase. If that is still live, I will link that down below for you guys. Before you check out, just find the little doohickey and put that in your checkout section, whatever. Anyways, like I said, make your choices on January 11th. Once you make your choices from the base and the premium box, if you want both boxes, then you can go ahead and start shopping add-ons. This is when we get all kinds of goodies, insanely affordable, better deals than what you see at like Sephora VIB sales. Just saying, that's where I've been spending most of my money, is add-ons and Boxy pop-up. So anyways, guys, like I said, if you are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, check my link down below for that. Let me know you guys' thoughts on this box. I think it's absolutely amazing. Don't forget, I will be back with another variation that we have seen live that was completely different than my variation, as well as I will come back and unbox my paid for base box for you guys as well. I forgot to go over my makeup with you guys. Look at that. I was trying to in the video. Okay, if you guys are curious about my makeup, I'm trying to get better about at least telling you guys or linking it if I can remember to do that. So as far as what is on my face, I did use two different primers. One, was available in add-ons. This is a Farsáli Skin Tune Blur. I will tell you guys, in this T-zone area, worked perfect. Put it on my chin area where it had some retinol, so I was peeling. Not a good mix. So I wiped it off and added a little bit of my Volition Beauty, the Snow Mushroom Water Serum. Hopefully this is going to be available for you guys in add-ons again. I think it was like $9 or something. Both of these you hopefully can get in add-ons. I have that on as my primer. For my foundation, I have the Tarte Face Tape. This was on sale at Ulta, and I snagged it up because I'm at the point now where I'm like, I don't want to pay full price. I want to get things on sale. I have that on for foundation. I actually have the Tarte Sheet Tape on as my concealer. And then on my eyes, guys, I have my Natasha Denona Glam Palette. That's all I have on my eyes. I have been loving these Ardell magnetic lashes. I will link them down below for you guys. I only wear them on the outer portion. I've started to try out this bat style wing or something. I saw it on TikTok, so that's what's on my eyes. And for my lips, I have a whole concoction of stuff. I have the Real Her. This was a lip liner duo set that we had received in Boxycharm. Then I have the e.l.f. tinted lip oil in the shade Nude Kiss, super affordable. Then I have Jen Loves Reviews, one of her lipsticks. This is in Revive. I just patted it right into the middle and then mixed it with some of this e.l.f. and overline my lips because I want that juicy, you know, I got full lips but I fake it, whatever. Anyways, guys, that is pretty much everything on my face other than like powders, blushes, and all that stuff, which I don't think you guys are really interested in. If you guys are, let me know. But anyways, that's all for today's video. I am gonna hop off. If you guys are interested about my top, it is just from Torrid. I will try and find it and link it below. It's probably insanely on sale now because I bought this a while ago. So I'm hopping off. I'm gonna film my other variation that I have for you guys, and like I said, I will be back with my paid for box. And don't forget, January 11th, important date to make your choices for your February boxes. Anyways, guys, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys.